What if I told you DJI just leaked a drone that's silent, portable, and could change how and where you fly forever? This is the DJI Flip, and it's not just a rumor. It's compact, futuristic, and packed with features that solve real-world problems for drone pilots everywhere. Today, we're breaking down the leaks, the technology, and the question everyone's asking. Is this DJI's next big revolution or a risky gamble? Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Please don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tech insights. Let's start with the leaks that have everyone talking. Here it is, the DJI Flip, a drone that looks nothing like DJI's current lineup. Here are the standout features that make it game-changing. The arms fold perfectly into the drone body, making it incredibly compact. Why does that matter? Because you can toss it in a backpack and carry professional-grade flying power anywhere. This is where DJI gets innovative. These propellers are built with safety and silence in mind. Imagine flying indoors, at a quiet park, or in your neighborhood. No loud buzzing, no complaints, just smooth, discreet operation. DJI has nailed usability here. Instead of fiddling with awkward slots, the battery loads from the top with side-release buttons. What does that mean for you? Faster battery swaps, less downtime, and more time in the air. These aren't gimmicks. They're solutions to problems drone pilots face every day. And trust me, it gets even better when we look under the hood. Now let's dive into what makes the Flip so powerful. 40-minute flight time. Yes, you heard that right. 40 minutes on a single charge. Why is this a big deal? Most compact drones barely scratch 30 minutes. With the Flip, you get extended flights, fewer interruptions, and more time to nail the perfect shot. 3-axis gimbal camera. While we don't have exact specs yet, the inclusion of a gimbal guarantees smooth cinematic footage. Indoors, outdoors, or tight spaces, your shots will look pro-level. The Flip uses DJI's OcuSync 4.0, giving you a range of up to 20 kilometers. Translation: you can fly farther with unmatched stability and still get crystal clear video feed. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Rumored to use DJI's LiDAR-based sensors, the Flip will navigate tight spaces and low-light environments effortlessly. Imagine flying through a warehouse, gym, or living room without worrying about collisions. DJI isn't just building a drone here, they're solving problems that most pilots didn't even realize could be fixed. Here's the big question. Why would DJI create the Flip? Think about DJI's current lineup. The Mini series dominates portability. The Air series is all about power and versatility. The FPV drones focus on immersive speed and action. So where does the Flip fit? Some experts think it's a replacement for the DJI Mini 5, a drone that's been rumored but never confirmed. But I think DJI is going bigger. The Flip is creating its own niche. Urban flyers, indoor pilots, and prosumers who want something quiet, portable, and reliable. This isn't just a new drone, it's DJI's way of redefining how drones are used in everyday life. You're filming indoors, maybe a gym, a warehouse, or a commercial shoot. A regular drone is too loud. A handheld camera isn't dynamic enough. Now imagine the DJI Flip. It glides through the space silently. It captures smooth, cinematic shots with its 3-axis gimbal. It navigates obstacles effortlessly. For urban flyers, the Flip is perfect for discreet flying in parks, neighborhoods, or tight spaces. For beginners, it offers advanced safety and ease of use. For professionals, it's a portable powerhouse with next-gen tech. This drone isn't just for one type of pilot. It's for everyone who's been waiting for a better way to fly. So when can you get your hands on the DJI Flip? According to insiders, DJI is planning a January 2025 release. And the price? Leaks suggest it'll fall into the mid-range category, right between the Mini and Air series. But here's what's really interesting. The drone community is divided. Some are calling it game-changing, the perfect drone for urban and indoor pilots. Others think DJI is taking a risk with this new design. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. The DJI Flip could be the drone that changes everything. Quieter flights, smarter design, and solutions that drone pilots have been asking for. But here's the question. Is DJI starting a new drone revolution, or is this just an experiment that might not take off? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the Flip, or are you waiting for something more traditional? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.